Have you ever wondered what is the Binance Launchpool and Binance Launchpad? You might have heard or seen this from the Binance ads and notifications before. But do you know that several crypto investors are growing their portfolios real quick through this method? Now, are you wondering what really is Binance Launchpool and Binance Launchpad? What is their difference? And how do investors earn through this method? If so, let's now dive into the depths of the crypto ocean and discuss the hidden opportunities with Binance Launchpool and Binance Launchpad. So what is Binance Launchpad? Imagine being part of an exclusive club that grants you access to the most promising crypto projects before they become the talk of the town. With Binance Launchpad, you can do just that. It's like having a crystal ball that reveals the hidden gems of the crypto world. And what's even better, it's not just a shot in the dark. It's a near guarantee of remarkable returns. While others struggle to catch up, you can be at the forefront of groundbreaking innovations, supporting the visionaries who are shaping the future of blockchain technology. Binance Launchpad is your ticket to securing massive returns by getting in on the ground floor of these extraordinary projects. Binance Launchpad is your gateway to a world of possibilities. Are you ready to seize them? Now, what exactly is a launchpad in the crypto market? In the world of crypto investments, a launchpad is like a springboard that propels you into the world of early-stage projects with boundless potential. In a place where visionary entrepreneurs and their groundbreaking blockchain startups receive the backing of a trusted exchange, creating a win-win situation for both investors and innovators. By participating in an initial exchange offering, or IEO, through a launchpad, you gain exclusive access to these exciting projects before they make their grand entrance onto the mainstream stage. It's your chance to be an innovator, keeping a watchful eye on projects in their infancy and seizing the opportunity to be part of their extraordinary growth story. But here's the truly enticing part. Launchpads have a remarkable track record of delivering massive gains for investors. Just imagine the rush of being part of a token launch like BitTorrent, which skyrocketed to more than $7 million within a matter of minutes. Such success stories are not uncommon in the world of launchpads, where the potential for incredible returns awaits those with the foresight to participate. In this landscape, Binance Launchpad takes center stage. It's a platform that goes beyond mere fundraising. It's a launchpad that propels blockchain startups to new heights by connecting them with a vast network of investors. Binance Launchpad not only provides a platform for these startups to raise funds, but also offers invaluable knowledge and support to help them expand their reach and achieve their goals. Binance Launchpad is your gateway to a world where innovation meets investment and extraordinary opportunities await. Are you ready to launch into the future? Now, imagine this. By staking your existing tokens, you can effortlessly earn shiny new ones. It almost sounds too good to be true, doesn't it? But this is the reality with Binance Launchpool. If it's a true opportunity, not a cake one, how does it really work? And how much can you earn? Well, here's how it works. When you stake your precious tokens, a magical alchemy begins. Your crypto assets work tirelessly, generating a stream of passive income without you even lifting a finger. The more tokens you stake, of course, the more you get. But Binance Launchpool isn't just about earning tokens. It's about being part of a movement that fuels the growth of groundbreaking blockchain projects. By participating in Launchpool, you become an integral part of an ecosystem that supports and contributes to the success of these projects. It's a win-win situation where you reap the rewards while making a meaningful impact. Now let's dive deeper into how Binance Launchpool staking works. By contributing your crypto assets to a liquidity pool, you earn shiny new tokens that can significantly boost your portfolio. It's like planting seeds of potential and witnessing them blossom into a bountiful harvest. The number of tokens you accumulate daily depends on the amount you stake and the total tokens committed to the pool. It's a never-evolving calculation that keeps you on your toes as your earnings grow. Once you've staked your tokens, the countdown begins. In just 7 days, the new tokens are ready for trading, giving you the freedom to make the most of your earnings. And don't forget, you can redeem your pending rewards from the farming pool at any time. This adds to the flexibility and endless opportunities for your investment. The success of Binance Launchpool speaks for itself. With approximately 20 supported projects at a staggering $85.3 million in token distribution, this platform has made a significant impact on the crypto community. The value locked in their DeFi protocols is mind-boggling, reaching $143.5 million worth of Binance Coin and an astounding $5.46 billion worth of Binance USD. It's a testament to the power and potential of Launchpool. And when it comes to returns, Launchpool doesn't disappoint. With an average annual percentage yield of 24%, it's a playground for those seeking impressive growth. Even the famous S&P 500 only has an APY of 12%. The highest performing projects have even recorded an eye-popping APY of 113%. It's an opportunity for exponential growth that cannot be ignored. So whether you're an investor seeking to supercharge your earnings, a community member looking for engagement, or a visionary project in need of funds and growth, Binance Launchpool offers something special. It's a platform that combines innovation, opportunity, and community, creating a win-win situation for all. Now, when it comes to profitability in the crypto ecosystem, Binance Launchpad and Binance Launchpool have emerged as powerhouses under the leadership of CEO 𝗥𝗲𝗓𝗂𝗓. These platforms have created a profitable niche, attracting investors from all corners of the globe. The success speaks for itself, with token offerings on Binance Launchpad selling out within seconds and hundreds of thousands of people engaging in Binance Launchpool. What sets these platforms apart is their transparency. Both Binance Launchpad and Launchpool operate without hidden fees, ensuring that investors have a clear understanding of their investments. This transparency extends to the initial exchange offerings hosted on the Launchpad and the staking opportunities provided by the Launchpool. For savvy investors, these platforms offer ample opportunities to secure substantial returns. However, you might be wondering, how do I get started with a Launchpool or Launchpad? To begin your journey on either Binance Launchpool or Launchpad, you'll need to sign up and create a customer account on Binance. As part of the process, you may be required to complete the Know Your Customer or KYC verification to ensure compliance. Once you've completed the necessary steps, you'll gain access to the platforms with just a few clicks. From there, you may explore ongoing promotions, token offerings, and staking opportunities. Whether you're drawn to the excitement of participating in token sales through Binance Launchpad or the allure of earning passive income through Binance Launchpool, both platforms offer a gateway to financial growth. The choice ultimately depends on your investment preferences and goals. The opportunities await, and with Binance's commitment to transparency and profitability, you can feel confident in your investment endeavors. Join the ranks of successful investors and discover the potential that lies within these groundbreaking platforms. Taking everything into account, both Binance Launchpad and Binance Launchpool offer lucrative opportunities for investors. With Binance Launchpad, you gain access to exclusive early-stage projects that have the potential to bring remarkable returns. It's like having a crystal ball that reveals hidden gems in the crypto world. On the other hand, Binance Launchpool allows you to stake your existing tokens and effortlessly earn new ones, while also contributing to the growth of innovative blockchain projects. Both platforms operate with transparency, ensuring that investors have a clear understanding of their investments. Whether you're interested in participating in token sales or earning passive income, Binance provides a gateway to financial growth and innovation. So are you ready to seize the extraordinary opportunities offered by Binance Launchpad and Launchpool? Will you be among the innovators shaping the future of blockchain technology? Take the leap and discover the potential that lies within these groundbreaking platforms. Your journey to financial growth starts here. The thing is, everything I told you is all about Binance Launchpad and Binance Launchpool, because they're still the stock market and other kinds of investments. If you don't check them out, you might miss an opportunity. Now, what are the other profitable investments aside from crypto? If you want to know more, make sure to watch our other videos, including this one.